Incredible, fast, speedy results, 24 hours or less. Manifest your deepest desires. This really works. Hi everyone, Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. Are you soaring like a beautiful eagle? Well, here's something that is absolutely going to be a game changer for you. It's a wonderful, simple technique for manifesting something that you desire in 24 hours or less. I have used this technique numerous times over the years, and I know that you'll want to use it on a regular basis. Now, understand that major or huge manifestations in your life may require more work than this, but I use this for smaller manifestations. You see, I believe that the key to this simple technique is believability. You have to believe that it's possible. So, well, what are you willing to believe? What are you willing to invest in yourself? Do you believe that you can double your annual salary in 24 hours? Probably not likely. But do you believe that you can make an extra $500,000, maybe $2,000 in the next 24 hours, money coming from an unexpected source? Very likely. Do you believe you can receive a phone call or a text message from somebody that you've been wanting to hear from in a long time? Very probable. So I guess it all comes down to believability. If you do the technique, but you have doubts that it will work, then likely it will not work, because doubts act as a counter-intention. I mean, here you are coming with your intention, you're manifesting, and doubts, boom. No. So you want to make certain that you don't have any doubts hampering you as you use this technique. So the first thing you're going to do is clear your energy field. Here's a very simple way to do it. Just close your eyes. Breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth, and visualize a beautiful, effervescent, white ball of light above your head. Oh, it feels good. That infinite white light glowing above your head. And when you're ready, simply inhale and pull the light and the spirit down into your energy field. Take a nice cleansing breath. And there we are. Now that you've cleared yourself, I want you to really go internal, go inside, and really know what you desire and what you desire to manifest or bring into reality in the next 24 hours. I want you to be clear about it. Don't write something like, I just want to feel good, but be specific. I am manifesting. I am manifesting $500 from an unexpected source in the next 24 hours. I am manifesting a text message or an email from an unexpected source, or from an expected source in this case, from somebody that you want to hear from in 24 hours. I am manifesting, and fill in the blank. So it can be anything. But as I said earlier, I believe that it should be believable. It should be within your range. When I set my yearly goals, at the first of the year. I look at what I did last year. And then I say, okay, this is what I did last year. This is what we're going to do this year if everything continues, but we're going to kick it up just a little bit more. In other words, it's just at the edge of believability. In other words, I believe it, but it's a stretch. I want to stretch myself. So I want you to stretch yourself when you do this simple little operation over the next 24 hours. But you have to believe it. You can't allow any doubts into your energy field during the next 24 hours. So now that you know exactly what you desire, you are ready to begin. So high flyers, here's what I like to do. I get these little Post-it notes and they come in different colors. So this one is green. I would naturally use it for money, for a money intention. And you're going to write your intention down here. I am, in present tense, manifesting. You could even write it in past tense if you wanted to. I have manifested. I think that's perfect. I am manifesting or I have manifested, whichever feels more right to you, but it's present tense. We're avoiding things like I want, I hope, maybe it will happen, I pray, I wish. We're avoiding all that, okay? That keeps you on the ground. That trims your feathers. You're not going to get off into the wild blue yonder with language like that. Present tense language is absolutely essential. And then what I do is on the back side, I would write one word that summarizes exactly what my intention is about. So say, for example, I was saying I am manifesting $500 from an unexpected source in the next 24 hours. So that was my intention. Then on the back side of it, I would simply write the word money. Oh, I like that word. Say it with me right now. Pause. Money. It's a good word. Love. It's a great word. Health. It's a wonderful word. Okay? So money or abundance. Okay? One word. Now, throughout the day, all I have to do is keep repeating in my mind the word money. I don't have to keep saying the affirmation over and over and over again. I just focus on that one word, money. Step 6 is where it really happens at. This is where the action takes place. So now I have my intention written here. On the back side, I have that one word that summarizes my intention. Now I'm going to place it in my hand, like so. And I'm going to close my eyes and take a deep breath. And I'm going to visualize how I feel. The key word here is feel. I don't care how you think. How do you feel receiving that text message? How do you feel receiving that money? How do you feel receiving that job offer? How do you feel? How do you feel? So important. And I close my eyes. I have my intention right here. And I'm just concentrating on the feelings. I can feel myself literally counting out $1,000 in brand new $100 bills. Feels good. And I just feel excited. I know exactly what I'm going to do with the money. I'm so excited to go and order what I want to buy. I just know exactly how I'm going to use it. I feel excited. I feel motivated. I feel like jumping up and down. Okay, so that's what I'm doing is I'm charging this paper. Now I'm going to keep this with me and in a place where I can see it for the next 24 hours. Do you know the best place? Can I tell you? You want to hear a secret? The refrigerator. Put it right on the refrigerator door. Every time you walk into the kitchen, you're going to see it. Or carry it with you in your wallet if it's money. Or put it on your desk if you're at work. You will be looking at this affirmation, or better yet, make it simple, you'll be looking at the summation word all day long. And every time you look at it, you will be putting those feelings through your energy field, your subconscious mind, and into the infinite field of potential, or the universe. You will be attracting. The universe will match your intention, and you're going to see some incredible results. Now, here's the key word. The key word in all of this was feelings. So once I've done that meditation, where I've concentrated on feelings, this becomes a symbol of those feelings. That's why I want to see it. Write the word feelings right down below here. Feelings. Feelings are how you attract what you desire. And if your feelings are all jumbled up, if they are filled with doubt and fears and anxiety, then your ability to attract diminishes. Now that I'm done, oh, I'm not done, am I? Am I done? No, I'm not done, because now one final thing. I'm going to hold the paper again in my hand. I'm going to visualize that white light above my head descending over me. And I'm going to be grateful for what I have received. Not what I am receiving, what I have received. I am grateful that I've received $500 from an unexpected source. It's absolutely wonderful. I am grateful that I've received an incredible job offer. I am grateful that I have won 2 tickets to a luxury vacation. I am grateful that I've received a phone call from my lover. Whatever it is that you wrote down on this paper, that's what you're going to show gratitude for. And that's it. Keep it with you for 24 hours. And guess what? Expect a miracle in your life. That's the key. Positive expectations. You've got to expect it. Oh yeah, that's the key. You see, when you expect it here and with your whole soul, it can't help but manifest. Write the word feelings down below here. That will instill in your mind the importance of feelings in manifesting what you deeply desire. Have a great day now, because you absolutely deserve it. Bye-bye now.